Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss a part of our relationship as a women, and we will be discussing how women can have a beautiful relationship first with their own self, and then at the workplace and with the people at the home front. Okay, but in order to identify with all these aspects, continuing to our series of the secrets of a feminine personality, we have here Miss Iti Chaturvedi. She is a relationship coach, and she's been the HR for last 9 years, and she's been working with an IT based business, and she's been having a lot of enriching experiences all through her career life, which she is coming up here and discussing and sharing with us today. um, we welcome you, Iti, on the basis on the from Empower Her. I'm welcoming you to share your ideas, and I really want to understand what is your idea of a relationship for a feminine personality.
Thank you so much for that lovely welcome and lovely introduction that you have set, Richa, out there. My idea of feminism is just this, that, you don't have to benchmark yourself to, or you don't have to compare yourself with anyone. Women or feminist personalities, just one thing, you don't have to equal yourself. You just have to be yourself, and that's the whole key. Okay, so you don't have to be the epitome of sacrifices, or you don't have to be superwoman. You just have to be a woman. That's it, and that equals up everything.
Amazing. I think I resonate with that idea of your feminism personality, because I also felt the same thing, that being a woman, you cannot be actually doing everything. You
Right.
need to be just your own self. And many
Correct.
times it happens in our lifetime that we've been, in order to please the people around us, whether they are at the work front or whether they are at the home front, in order to please them, we go beyond our boundaries.
Right.
We go beyond our beyond, in order to meet their expectations. But in this
Correct.
process of meeting the expectations, we are actually losing out on our own self. And
That's right.
at the same time, since we are draining out our own energies and losing out our own self, then only we are the ones who are complaining that
Correct.
that
No, that we are not able to make up, or maybe we are not able to, put in our 100% into a relationship. There might be a problem in myself only. We are always downgrading, demoralizing ourselves. And this is the whole idea, actually. The idea of feminism is just this, that you don't have to compare yourself with anyone. If you just be yourself, that's enough.
Yes,
That's
so that
completely
idea of
okay.
self-doubt, the ideas of self-doubt actually generate the fears in us. And
Correct.
today we would like to have your idea how we can have that kind of a healthy relationship with our own self first, and then at the workplace and at the home front, because it is
I actually love that, Richa, when you said that how do you have that relationship first with yourself and then with the others? This is very much important. See, we need to understand one thing. What is that one thing that, makes you happy? Or what is that thing that is stopping you from being happy or contented in life? Once we'll have that answer in place, no, everything else will fall after that. So there are various ways you can feel, connected with yourself, connected with other person as well. But then there are few 3 to 4 important pointers here. One is this, that you need to set your boundaries right. Okay, there has to be certain maximum point beyond which you will not go, or beyond which you will not take that toll on yourself. So you need to have that boundary straight with yourself first, and then with that other person, so that even that other person would not have that expectations or overly expectations with you, right? Number one. Number two is this, that you need to be empathetic. You need to understand and listen to yourself first, and then be empathetic to that other person as well, right? Once you'll have that stuff maintained, you will not get into a battle. Okay, you will always be at calm or serene way. You know, there will be always a way that you will handle the situations or the complex situations then. And then third and most important point is this, that you know, you need to be logical in your conversations. So understanding one thing is okay, and then communicating it in a logical way is the other thing, right? So you need to understand that way and respond in a more realistic or logical way. And I feel that, you know, there is this one important thing which we miss out on a daily routine basis, you know, the words of affirmation, positive affirmations. And this is what actually you have been also telling us throughout these videos that you have been uploading up. And these positive affirmations actually sets your behavior, your attitude right in place. So you need to have those positive affirmations daily. I think for me, I would say every moment to yourself first, and then to that other person. You will feel not only value, but you will make that other person also valued.
Amazing, Iti. That was amazing ideas. And I would like to add here that many a times we face challenges that what is that person trying to say? And in order
Correct.
to find out that what the person is trying to say, we miss, because of that miscommunication, we are not being able to understand what was the real intent. Was it harmful? Was it favorable for us? So here,
Correct.
if we are not sorted inside us, we will not be able to judge or identify what is the intent behind. And it is not the people who are wrong. It is probably the situations that they're not being able to
Situation.
communicate.
Yes.
They're not
Yes.
able to communicate. And
Right.
it is actually happening with your own self also, that you're not being able to communicate to your own self what you want.
Exactly.
Right?
What you want, what actually you desire of.
Correct.
Most Indian actually fail out there. What they desire of is, what they say is that my all desires are now, you know, they are into trash now. So here is the moment that you need to realize what are your desires. Sit
Yes.
with yourself and understand what are your desires first.
Correct. And before you hit that roadblock, I request you all women out there who are listening to us, please create a relationship first within your own self. Understand what you want, what you desire for, and set out your own expectations from your own relationship, what you have with your own soul. And then only you can become a powerful feminine personality, because feminism, it's not about sexism or being equality or any other thing. It is about who you are as a person, and start embracing yourself. I think on that note, we would like to take a bye from your side now. And I think I would like to thank Iti for sharing your ideas here today. I'm
Please
so
welcome.
grateful
I'd
to
love
you.
to.
I'm so grateful to you and would love to hear from you more. Thank you for collaborating with Empower. I request you all, audience, please go share, like, and subscribe to our videos on YouTube. You can go and follow and like us on Facebook page, that is Empower by Richa Chaturvedi. You can go and see us on our website, richachaturvedi.in. On that note, this is Richa Chaturvedi, and that's Iti on that side from Mumbai, a relationship coach, and I'm your empowerment strategist and coach, saying bye to you. Thank you so much. Love you all. Mwah.
Thank you so much.